0.32, 284 miles. Bluetooth. 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. 2012 Chevrolet Impala sedan, silver ice metallic W black cloth seating. 3.6 L56 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, Carfax 1 owner. No accidents. Let's go over all the options on this loaded up Impala: power windows, power locks, Bluetooth, 16 aluminum wheels, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio. 5-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty good until 2017 or 100,000 miles, best coverage in the universe. Come on in today and take this loaded up Impala for a whirl around our Chevrolet of Naperville test track. See ya soon. One low price, plain and simple. Always.